Imagine a world where every element, every molecule has a story to tell, and every chemical reaction unfolds like a magical transformation. What if the secrets to solving the planet's most urgent problems lie in the test tubes of chemists? Today, we dive into the future of chemistry, where ecology, green chemistry, and sustainability hold the key to a cleaner, better world. Curious? You should be, because we're about to witness a revolution happening right under our noses. Chemistry has always been more than just a set of reactions and equations. It's the art of understanding how the world around us works at the most fundamental level. From the air we breathe to the products we use, chemistry is the invisible force shaping our daily lives. But what if we told you that today, chemistry is helping us tackle some of the most pressing issues on the planet, like climate change, pollution, and resource depletion? Let's find out how. Picture this: a group of scientists in a laboratory working late into the night. They're not just mixing chemicals for the sake of it. They're trying to create a solution that could change the future of our planet. They're focused on creating a process that could break down plastic waste into harmless, reusable materials. It's not magic, it's green chemistry. This is the kind of innovation that could lead us to a cleaner, more sustainable world. Green chemistry is a revolutionary concept that challenges the way we think about chemical processes. Unlike traditional chemistry, which often leads to harmful byproducts and pollution, green chemistry focuses on creating sustainable processes that minimize waste, use renewable resources, and reduce energy consumption. Imagine chemical reactions that are not only effective, but also environmentally friendly. That's the future we're working towards. One example of green chemistry at work is the development of bio-based plastics. Unlike conventional plastics made from petroleum, bioplastics are made from renewable plant sources. When these plastics degrade, they break down into harmless substances, unlike their petroleum-based counterparts that can persist in the environment for hundreds of years. The result? Less pollution, less waste, and a step closer to a circular economy where nothing is wasted. But that's just the beginning. What if we could turn waste into wealth? Scientists are already working on methods to transform waste materials, like carbon dioxide, into valuable chemicals that can be used in industry. For example, by using innovative catalysts, carbon dioxide can be captured and converted into useful products like fuels or plastics. This process could help reduce greenhouse gases and create valuable resources from something that is often seen as a pollutant. As we move into the realm of sustainable chemistry, it's crucial to understand the power of chemical reactions in shaping our world. Take photosynthesis, for instance. It's the ultimate example of a chemical reaction that sustains life on Earth. Plants convert sunlight into energy, using water and carbon dioxide. By mimicking this process, scientists are developing new technologies that can harness solar energy more efficiently, bringing us closer to a future powered by clean, renewable energy. The role of chemistry in environmental protection doesn't stop there. One of the biggest challenges we face today is water pollution. But with the help of chemical innovations, we are discovering new ways to purify and clean water on a large scale. One such innovation is the use of advanced filtration systems made from materials that can selectively remove harmful contaminants from water. These systems are designed to be both efficient and affordable, making clean water more accessible to communities around the world. Another exciting area of research is the development of sustainable agriculture practices. By using chemistry to develop fertilizers and pesticides that are less harmful to the environment, scientists are working to reduce the impact of farming on our ecosystems. This includes creating natural, biodegradable pesticides and fertilizers that can help boost crop yields without harming the soil or polluting the water supply. It's chemistry that nourishes the planet while feeding the people on it. And then there's energy. Chemistry has always played a crucial role in powering the world, but today it's leading the charge towards cleaner, greener energy solutions. Solar panels, wind turbines, and even electric cars all rely on advanced materials and chemical processes to work efficiently. But the quest for more sustainable energy doesn't stop there. Scientists are exploring new ways to harness energy from unconventional sources, like tidal and geothermal power, using chemistry to make these technologies more cost-effective and efficient. Now let's step back for a moment and think about the bigger picture. We live in a world where resources are finite, and the environmental challenges we face are becoming increasingly urgent. But what if chemistry could hold the key to unlocking a sustainable future? What if we could use science to create a world where everything we need, from the food we eat to the materials we use, could be produced with minimal impact on the planet? The future of chemistry is about turning that vision into reality. To understand how this can happen, let's take a look at some real-world examples of how chemistry is already changing the way we live. One of the most exciting developments is the rise of carbon capture and storage, CCS technologies. These technologies capture carbon dioxide emissions from power plants and industrial sources, preventing them from entering the atmosphere and contributing to global warming. Once captured, the carbon dioxide can be stored underground or used to create valuable products like building materials or synthetic fuels. Carbon capture is just one of many ways that chemistry can help combat climate change. Another approach gaining traction is the use of renewable biofuels, which are made from plant materials instead of fossil fuels. Unlike traditional gasoline or diesel, biofuels are carbon neutral, meaning they don't release more carbon into the atmosphere than the plants absorbed while they were growing. This makes biofuels a much cleaner alternative for transportation and energy production. But the impact of chemistry goes beyond just reducing emissions. It's also about creating systems that can regenerate and renew the resources we consume. Consider the idea of a closed-loop economy where waste is repurposed into new products and nothing goes to waste. Chemical processes can make this a reality by breaking down materials to their base components and reusing them to create something new. For example, instead of sending plastic to the landfill, we could use chemical reactions to break it down into its raw materials and turn it back into new plastic products. This idea of sustainability isn't just a theoretical dream. It's happening right now, and it's being driven by advances in chemical science. For instance, researchers have developed methods to recycle plastics more effectively, breaking them down into their basic building blocks so they can be reused. These innovations are helping reduce the amount of plastic waste that ends up in landfills and the ocean, moving us closer to a circular economy where materials are continuously reused, reducing our dependence on raw resources. And the potential doesn't end there. What if we could use chemistry to restore damaged ecosystems? Some scientists are already investigating ways to use chemical processes to regenerate soil, replant forests, and even clean up polluted rivers and oceans. One promising technology is the use of bacteria or enzymes to break down pollutants in the soil, turning harmful substances into harmless compounds. This could help restore ecosystems and make them more resilient to the effects of climate change. But while these advancements are impressive, they're just the beginning. The real challenge lies in scaling up these solutions to make a global impact. To do this, we'll need collaboration. Scientists, governments, businesses, and individuals must all work together to implement these groundbreaking chemical innovations on a larger scale. And as we've seen throughout history, when science and innovation are combined with collective action, there's no problem too big to solve. In fact, the future of chemistry isn't just about what happens in laboratories or research facilities. It's about how we as a society embrace and apply this knowledge. By promoting sustainable practices and supporting the development of green technologies, we can all play a role in shaping a more sustainable world. Whether it's through supporting eco-friendly products, advocating for policy changes, or simply reducing our own waste, every action counts. And while the road ahead may seem daunting, there's one thing we know for sure. Chemistry is our ally. It's the key to solving some of the world's most complex environmental challenges, and the possibilities are endless. With each breakthrough, each new discovery, we're one step closer to creating a world where sustainability is not just a dream, but a reality. The future of chemistry is bright, and it's up to all of us to make it happen. If you've enjoyed this dive into the world of green chemistry, sustainability, and the role chemistry plays in our future, make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on how chemistry can shape a better world. Stay tuned for more exciting videos, and don't forget to keep exploring the magic of science.